offers 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms across under 1,400 square feet of luxurious living space, featuring high ceilings, large windows, and a chef's kitchen with stainless steel appliances and quartz countertop. Originally established in 1892 as a textile mill, Caraleigh Mills has been meticulously converted into contemporary condominiums while preserving its historical essence. Enjoy exceptional amenities including fitness center, swimming pool, clubhouse, and beautifully landscaped courtyards. The community is pet-friendly with walking trails and green space. Minutes from downtown Raleigh, you'll have easy access to top dining, shopping, and entertainment. Own a piece of Raleigh's history with modern comforts. Contact Kimberly Edwards with Keller Williams to schedule a tour.